Hi guys, in this video we will see how to hide your Facebook post on your iPhone or any other device. You can easily hide any particular Facebook post. Launch Facebook app on your device, either iPhone or Android or Windows PC. Here go to your profile icon from the bottom right corner and here tap on, scroll down and go to your post which you want to hide. Tap on three horizontal dot against post and here you will find edit privacy. Tap on it and you can see who can see your post: public, friends, exceptions, specific friends, only me. So here choose only me. After setting only me, tap on save. Your Facebook post is only me settings. If you want to unhide, then choose public. That's all.